My name is Ram, and the first step to develop a website is to book your domain name. Now, to book your domain, you have to visit a service provider like your aspl-daily.com, for which the URL is domains.aspl-host.com. Now, once you type this URL, you'll get the screen which displays get your domain name and a box where you can type the domain which you want to book. Once you type that domain, for example, you want to book how to make my website. Now, this is the domain name which you want to book. You don't have to type the extension, and let's select the additional extensions also. We call them as top level domain, TLDs. So you have to select your favorite TLD, because the chances are if you are not able to get .com, you may get .in or .biz or .info or some other extensions. So you select the extensions and you'll get the list of domains which are available. For example, I'm seeing that how to make my website.com is taken, it's appearing in dim color, and how to make my website.net is available, .org is also available, and you can see there are some sales offers also from the service provider. So for example, this how to make my website.org is available at 35.71% of discount, wherein the cost will be rupees 450. Now let's book this domain. Now click on add, and immediately this domain will appear in your shopping cart. 450 checkout. Now I don't want to add further domains. I can however add additional domains which I want to book. Now click on checkout, and it will display another screen offering you web hosting. If you don't have web hosting, you can buy that. If you have it, you can click on last option which displayed no thanks, proceed to checkout. So I'm clicking on this no thanks, proceed to checkout, and I get this domain name how to make my website.org. For 1 year I have to pay rupees 450 rupees. Now once I have planned to check out and I don't have any plan to further book any other domain, I have to create my account here, and that account can be created within 10 seconds. So not precisely taken 10 seconds, it may be 10 to 15 seconds. So meaning is that we have to create an account, and this account will type all the details which are mandatory and which will show an ownership of the domain. Now my name is Ram N Sangwan. My company name is Alliance Softech Private Limited. My email ID is, let's say, info@how to make website.in, and I'm typing the password. Of course I'll not share with that password with you. Now when I'm filling the details, I would like to share one more thing, that whenever you are booking a domain, the domain name should reflect the business. For example, the domain which I'm planning to book, which I'm booking right now, is for making a website. Okay, and therefore the name is this. So it is better if your domain matches with your business or the brand name or the business type. Okay, so I'm typing the address, So country India, select state Delhi, city, zip code is mandatory. In India we call it as postal code. One more point I forgot to mention here, when you're booking a domain, the email address specify the ownership of the domain. That means whatever email ID you will use, you try to use a public email ID, like email ID on Gmail or Yahoo or any other service provider, because that is the ownership of the domain. Whosoever will have the details or control panels or control of this email account will be the owner of this domain. So we have to be very careful about choosing the email ID. Okay, now I have filled in all the details, so I'm clicking on create account. Now the account is created, right? And see, you can see that account is created and total amount is, now I don't have online payment system. For example, this service provider does not offer online payment system, so pay offline. Let's click on this pay offline. Now what is the offline mode? Probably they'll give me some details about the account or some contact details, so that I can contact them and tell them that I have booked the domain, I'm paying rupees 450 and please confirm my domain. Now see, you see the offline payment options. For payment, for your payment option, please click here to contact us. So I clicked on contact us and I can see the detail mail us. So you can fill the details here and you can type what you have done, or you can directly contact the given address. This is the address of the company or the service provider. You can call them and you can talk to them and tell them I have booked a domain, please activate it, and they'll make the online payment. Okay, and you can deposit the amount in your bank, or they can collect it from you. Whatever the best they can do, they will do it for you. And therefore my friends, we have just booked the domain, and by paying the amount we are ready to go to the next step. And the second session which I'll take, that will be on how to book a hosting space and how to configure the hosting space, and third session will be on how to launch